Naman yung mga gamot niya. Isa, doon na tulo. Upat. Upat eh.
So, pwede na.
Pwede na.
Okay. Dagko na. So, ready na.
Abay.
Hey guys, welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. For today's vlog, we have here our Philodendron orange marmalade, and this is how the orange marmalade looks like, guys. This will be our second propagation for this plant. We got it with just ilang roots yun ang nakuha natin? Dalawang roots lang, guys, and now makakadalawang babies na kami. So the top cut is there, and we will be doing the simplest propagation that we can do today. So if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin. Anyway guys, just a disclaimer before we head right into the video. Medyo maingay po talaga yung birds ngayon kasi maraming birds na nandito. Meron kasing saging na papahinog and they are all partying in that saging. So, if malakas yung mga chirping ng birds, guys, well, that's them. I'm just explaining before we start. So, here we are. Nililinis niya muna yung dahon, guys. Akala ko parang almost of the same color lang kasi siya ng Philodendron tricolor. Both of them are having colored foliages, pero this one is quite expensive. So, nung nakikita namin siya sa expo, mas mahal ang orange marmalade, and we don't usually see this during expos, guys. So, kapag meron kaming nakikita, they are more expensive compared to the other colored foliages philodendrons, except for those dark ones na, alam nyo naman, yung mga black cardinal, they are really pricey, guys, ever since. Pero ito, mas mahal siya kesa sa tricolor. I don't think sobrang bilis niyang magkaroon ng baby because from that time that we got it, ito pa lang yung pangalawang propagation namin. Pero, guys, sulit naman because every time we do propagate, malaki na talaga. The top cut, our first cutting, is here already growing well. Yung difference naman niya, you can see it. Diba? Elongated yung dahon niya, guys. And medyo merong mga kulot-kulot. Tapos, merong pagka-painted lady yung dahon niya or yung patches ng dahon niya close to leaves of a painted lady. So, ito yung top cut namin, guys. We were still using soil at that time. That's why, yeah, the soil is visible. Meron pa kayong nakikitang tumutubo ng mga damo-damo. But, of course, we will get rid of this because I'm not always checking. Before we do the cutting, guys, marami kasing nagtatanong if it's really okay na dalawa lang. Well, it really depends. Merong mga plant na nagsusurvive. Like this one, when we got this, konti lang talaga yung roots niya. But we really had a hard time letting it recover. So, kung gusto niyo na mas mabilis na makaka-recover yung plant nyo, then choose to let it have 3 roots or more. Mas mabilis yung recovery kapag ganun. Anyway, guys, yung soil niya before, nasa medyo baba lang. Tapos, we just added some more potting media dito sa taas para ma-encourage yung roots niya na lumabas. Of course, that is really proven. Nagagawa namin yan sa ibang philodendrons. So, when you add potting media malapit sa roots or somewhere where the roots usually come out, doon, mabilis lalabas yung mga roots nila. Don't be bothered by the white spots that you are seeing. Ano kasi yan, guys? Bond paper. Before, nung wala pa kaming net, nilalagyan niya ng bond paper. Time na sobrang init, tapos merong part lang na dahon na natatamaan ng sobrang init, kaya so nilalagyan niya ng bond paper. Yung ending, kahit umulan, hindi niya naaalis yung bond paper. That's why meron silang mga cast na ganyan sa dahon. So, they aren't really fungus or whatever. Ano ba yung tawag ng mga mealybugs? No, hindi po. Cast ng bond paper yan na nabasa. So, as of now, of course, we are getting ready dun sa pagtataniman natin ng top cut. Again guys, we are recycling the pots that we have here. Alam nyo naman, we are more on recycling here kasi medyo dumadami na din yung mga plants namin. And halos every week, diba, meron kaming due for propagation. So, yung iba nga hindi pa napapropagate up until now. Like yan, yung mga yan. Ayan, mga ready for propagation na yan pero hindi pa namin napapropagate. Kasi hindi lang basta busy guys, wala pa ding pots. Also, the main reason why we are letting this William climb, or what do you usually call this? Yung potting media naman na pinagkakapitan na ng roots nila, of course, hindi na natin aalisin. So, isasama na natin pag natanim na namin siya dito sa bagong pot niya. So, ayan, di ba? Malakas yung birds, guys. Papakita ko. Ayan, ang dami nila dyan. They are feasting. I just don't know kung bakit hindi ko siya zoom in. Pero, ayan. Maraming lumilipat. So, sila yung maiingay. So, sa labas na ng bakod namin yan. Hindi pa inaalis because that's not ours. Hindi pa pinuputol. Ayan, yan yung pinagpipiestahan nila, kaya maingay na maingay sila ngayon. Yung mga ganon din yung tumatay dito sa mga plant namin dito. Of course, we are just using the net. So, every time na tumatay, tagus pa din. Kaya makikita nyo, may mga puti-puti dito. So, ayan. Merong mga napupupo na birds dito. An example of a philodendron that is overly exposed in the sun. So, we really have no choice, guys. Nandito kasi sila sa labas. So, there are times of the day na talagang exposed sa sunlight. Mahirap kasing itago kapag ganito na siya kalaki. So, hindi siya sanay sa init ng araw because we were just putting it under the mango tree. Kaya ganyan. So, ngayon na, inilabas na namin siya. Ito na yung naging itsura. But, do not worry, sanayan lang yan. Makaka-recover din to. He is trying to loosen it a bit. Tapos, yung mga pinagkakapitan talaga, iiwan talaga natin, guys. So, that's also a tip when you want your newly propagated philodendron to recover fast. Kasi nga, mas makaka-recover sila kapag feeling nila at home pa din sila even after you cut them. Medyo mainit na dito sa side na to, guys, but we don't have a choice. This is our usual propagation area. Anyway, the mother plant will stay in this pot and yung top cut lang yung kunin natin. So, we are not going to uproot the entire plant. Ayun, hahayaan lang natin siya dyan para less stress tayo dito sa Philodendron Orange Marmalade kasi hindi siya ganun ka mabilis mag-bounce back, guys. But, for sure naman, once naka-recover na, gaganda talaga. Alright. Did you hear that? So, yun na nga. Naputol na siya. That's how easy it is. So, all he has to do now is to take out the part. Oh, ganyan pala yung itsura. O, diba? So, dumami talaga yung roots niya nung nilagyan namin ng potting media. Yung mga roots na nakalabas na. Ayan. So, para na siyang may sariling ugat. It's close to the mound layering that we did, pero wala lang toong pinaglalagyan, guys, kasi nga mahirap naman, magputol pa tayo. Oh my god, there's another shoot that there is another shoot that is about to come out. Ayan, good thing naputol tayo ngayon. Alright, ganyan na yung itsura ng roots niya. So, kung titingnan mo, yung mga aerial roots na makikita, yung hindi talaga nakapailalim sa potting media, guys, hindi sila ganoon kadami. Pero, yung mga nalublob talaga, ayan, nagsasanga-sanga na. So, just put it in. But, of course, we don't forget the cinnamon powder. This is really such a big help sa mga propagations na ginagawa namin. Even if we already found a lot of products that might help our plants when it comes to the propagation stage, kapag ganyan nagka-cut kami, still we come back to what we are used to, and that's the cinnamon powder, guys. So that's how easy it is. Okay pa naman siguro yung init ngayon, enough lang para mag-dry yung cutting niya. So usually kasi ini-air dry muna bago nilalagyan ng cinnamon powder. Alright, hindi naman siya ganun ka-juicy. I'll just show you, ha. Hindi siya ganun ka-juicy. Unlike dun sa mga ibang philodendron na pag nagka-cut ka talaga, nagluluha. Pero siya hindi. Kaya, we'll just do the cinnamon powder. We'll just put the cinnamon powder. Ayan, tayo na lang maglagay. Hala, nadamihan ko. Kunin natin. Kunin natin kasi nadamihan ko. Ayan. Balik natin. Sayang. So, ayan, he is trying to place it well. Syempre, maganda din yung maayos na pagkakalagay sa kanya. Para syempre, pag tumubo siya, makakatubo siya ng maayos. Bakit mas maliit yung... okay, yan yung pinakaunang dahon na lumabas. Nung papasibol pa lang siya, papalaki. Habang tumatanda siya, or tumatanda talaga. Habang nagmamature, palaki ng palaki yung dahon niya, guys. So, you can see that the newest leaf is actually the biggest. So, ayun, naglalagay na siya ng potting media. Of course, aware naman kayo, and I have always been vocal about that. We already transitioned into soilless potting media. And even if hindi umuulan dito, sobrang laki ng help, guys, na gumagamit kami ng coconut chips kasi nagre-retain sila ng moisture. So, they hold moisture longer compared to the rice hulls. We are using them for aeration. Siyempre, dahil merong malalaking particles, hindi basta-basta nagiging compact yung so nagde-drain sila kaagad. But, there is also another purpose for that. Kasi if we will just use the rice hulls, guys, mas madali kasing matuyo yung rice hulls. They don't retain moisture. Pero, pag coconut chips, hindi yung malalaki yung gamit namin kasi sobrang dami din naman ng water na mas to store nun. So, we are just using the cocoa chips, guys, para at least even if we don't water them and even if it will not rain for days, still meron silang water support. Kasi, nandun pa din yung moisture ng cocoa chips, guys. And tamang-tama lang yung mahuhold niya dun sa kailangan ng plant. That's why maliliit yung ginagamit namin. As small as this na nandito. Mga ganyan lang mga ganito lang kaliit, 'Di ba? So ganyan lang para hindi grabe yung masustore. Kasi kapag malalaki din naman, parang malalaking hiwa ng coconut yung ilalagay nyo, guys. Sobrang dami din ng tubig. So ang ending, basang-basa din siya. So right amount lang. And right size. For us lang that's really what works best in our garden. So, it really depends upon what you are comfortable with. So, depende din sa inyo. Kung gusto niyo yung mas malaking cocoa cubes, guys, so that's really up to you. Future pots are ready. So, that's future pots. Puhon-puhon. Ayun, guys, madali lang talaga to. So, we are almost done with this video. Alam nyo na naman. And, nagpapasalamat ako to those people who really give us comments na madami silang natututunan sa channel namin. That's really one of our purpose, guys. To impart what we have learned in our gardening journey as well. Para sabay-sabay tayo. Nako, it's always fun na magtanim ng madami, na matuto sabay-sabay. And to hear a lot of stories from you as well when it comes to your gardening journey. So, let's learn together. We'd love to learn from you as well. So, do not forget to comment down below. What do you think of this video? And what worked best for you as well? So, ayun, guys. Dito lang tayo. So, we are almost done when it comes to putting all the potting media that our newly propagated philodendron marmalade is needing. Please don't forget to check out Philodendron Bohol if you want to order some Philodendron Bohol shirts. If you are from Bohol but you are outside the province and you are a member of Philodendron Bohol, you may check out the shirts that are available. Pre-order basis po tayo, guys, at 350 pesos. So, I do hope that you will support. So, yung proceeds, mapupunta po siya sa BARC. Yung BARC, guys, is like an organization that supports abandoned animals and yung animals na nagtinid talaga ng care. So, for those animal lovers, please do support Philodendron Bohol shirts by Mr. Michael Uful at Pro Bohol and PLANTZILLA. So, ayan, guys. Thank you so much. We are done with this one. I'll get to see you when we get right into the montage. So hey guys, that is pretty much it for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button beside it para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming video. Thank you for watching. Bye!